So cute.
Lagyan mo sa balikan mo.
Oops, sorry.
This kid wants to bite you.
I know, but
12 days.
his eyes haven't opened yet.
12 days old.
Yes.
Put it here. On his shoulder. Cannot.
No, smelly.
12 days old. And they make me him. Try to hold it. Look at his tail.
What if it pees on me?
No. Still baby. Look at his tail.
Where's tail?
Ito yung buntot. See?
Yan.
Oh, look at the short one.
Short tail.
Cute.
Putol? O talagang ganyan talaga?
Inborn putol.
Saan ba lahi yan?
Sino putol? Kay yung buntot ko.
Is it natural?
Kay buto.
Hindi naman putol yun eh.
Kasi nakakatalin.
Minsan binigyan ako ng ganyan.